Cleaning professionals who work in residential, commercial, and industrial environments are at constant risk of injury and illness because of routine exposure to dangerous chemical substances. Chemical cleaning products fall into 4 broad categories: detergents, sanitizers, disinfectants, and sterilizing agents. Exposure to these chemicals can lead to a wide range of health problems. There are 4 potential avenues for chemical entry into the body: inhalation, absorption through the skin, ingestion, and injection. Therefore, employers are obliged to ensure a safe workplace that minimizes present risks and create a safety policy that stipulates the use of less hazardous chemical solutions, ensures appropriate personal protective equipment is available, and contains instructions and procedures designed to limit chemical exposure through unnecessary handling. Chemical hazards can be communicated to workers via clear labelling, easy access to material safety data sheets, and development of a suitable training program. Best practice demands that a thorough risk assessment be undertaken prior to selection and purchase of protective solutions, especially gloves, which are manufactured in a wide range of chemical-resistant materials. To ensure you identify the best protective options for your workers, look for a manufacturer that offers a comprehensive range of hand protection solutions. For more information or to subscribe to Safety Briefing, go to www.ansell.com.